Welcome to this Docker Volumes tutorial. Are you struggling with data persistence in your containers? Docker Volumes are here to help. In this video, we'll cover the basics and best practices for using Docker Volumes. By default, containers don't persist data when restarted or deleted. This can lead to data loss and corruption. Docker Volumes provide a solution to this problem. A Docker volume is a directory or file that exists outside of a container, but is mounted inside the container. This allows data to be shared between containers and the host machine. Let's create a Docker volume and inspect its details. We'll use the Docker volume create command to create a new volume, then Docker volume inspect to view its details, and finally Docker volume ls to list all volumes. When using Docker volumes, make sure to use a consistent naming convention and avoid using volumes for sensitive data. Also, be aware of the volume's driver and scope. That's it. You now know how to use Docker volumes effectively. Remember to follow best practices and avoid common pitfalls. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.